Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA Car Kits in 2006 Mazda 6. Today we're going to show you how to install our Bluetooth extension, which looks like this. And in the previous video we showed you how to just install the kit. So you gotta, in order to install the Bluetooth extension, you gotta make sure you have the Bluetooth port on your module. And there's three parts to the Bluetooth module. The actual Bluetooth module, which will plug in into our existing kit. Then you have a microphone and you have a remote control to control the Bluetooth. So we're gonna start off first by wiring the microphone all the way to this A-pillar right here. And in the previous video we showed you how to remove the radio, and in this video I'm just gonna show you how to run the wires. So you don't need any extra tools except for your hands. You're gonna grab this panel and kind of pull it towards you. Just held on clips and it will drop down like this, so you have space to feed the wire. Over here we're gonna remove the rubber. So we're gonna move this part to the side and you just grab it with your hands and pull it down. This is in order to feed the wire through, and somebody already fed some wire through for the car's security system, I guess, alarm system. So we're gonna take the microphone, kind of put it to the side, and the same way we're gonna feed it down. And we're gonna do it all the way until here. And then we're gonna put the wire behind this panel. So we put the rubber piece back, and now we have this wire going down. And now we're gonna put it behind this plastic. So I'm gonna reach with our hands and grab it. Basically the whole objective is to bring this wire behind the radio in order to connect it to the Bluetooth module. Pull the wire through here just for now, and we're gonna move the radio out of the way. And so basically we have to get the wire in behind the radio. Just like that. So the microphone wire has just one notch in the connection, and then the second wire that we're gonna run is for the remote control, and it has two notches. So the remote control you can place in different areas, but in this particular car we think that placing it around this area will work best. So same thing, we're just gonna take this wire and wire it to the back. You can also put it on this side if you're used to using these two buttons right here, but we suggest here is the best spot in this car. So also gonna take this wire, pull it through, and then once you're putting everything back, suggest just getting some double-sided tape for the back of the button and mounting it wherever you like. But for now we're just doing it to show you guys. And we're gonna put this panel back. And it will be looking something like this. So now we're gonna take our Bluetooth module, and then one side is gonna say remote control. That's where we'll plug in the connection with two notches. And this is our microphone, and the whole thing goes and connects into the existing module. And so when you're going to be finishing the installation, all these wires have to hide, so you just gotta tie them up neatly and hide them behind the radio. And the only thing that should be visible from the Bluetooth is the remote control and that microphone we have wired in the A-pillar right there. So now we're gonna put the ignition in first position in order for the radio to turn on and show you everything. So we're gonna go into our GTA car kits mode, which is EX4 in this particular car, and we're gonna go into our settings. And when the Bluetooth is not paired, the LED on the remote control will flash rapidly, so it means it's ready to pair. And we're gonna go to Bluetooth and pair to it. We're just first gonna, so here it says GTA car kit, and we're gonna pair to it. And that's it. You're gonna hear beeping sound, and now this LED light just stays solid red. So what you can do is just go to your music and press and choose whatever song you want to play. In order not to overload the system, we suggest having the volume at around 75%, and then you just control the music through here. Choose whatever you like to play. You can also play any apps that you might have. And another option is to answer your phone calls with it. So when the phone call comes in, the music will dim and pause, and you're gonna hear the ring go through. And as you can hear, it's coming through the system. So there's two options. You can either answer through the phone or this remote control. So we're gonna use the remote control. It answers the phone call, and then you can hang up either from the phone or from this button. You hang up, and if you're streaming the music by Bluetooth, it will resume playing where you left off. You can also, if you hold this remote control button, it's the same as holding the home button on your iPhone, and it will activate Siri if you like to use that. You say your command, and you can just turn it back off. And that's pretty much it for using the Bluetooth. Like I said, you hide everything at the back of the radio, and you only have the remote control and the microphone. So again, this was a video for GTA car kits in a 2006 Mazda 6 with a Bluetooth installation.